Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you well. It's been a long time since I've posted and it feels weird to be talking into the mic. I've been away doing some new projects that required quite a bit of study on my part. I found it difficult to continue sketching, filming, editing and posting. But I have really missed it. I have done a few sketches. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd probably see some other things I'd been doing, but I hadn't filmed anything for a while. But I am happy to be back. I do hope to be posting more regularly. So the reference for this sketch was taken by my youngest daughter on a trip to Orlando, and I saw the building, and she must have thought the same thing. I saw the building and thought, that looks cool, I'm gonna sketch it. I was worried about the perspective on it. I thought maybe the view from under the awning would be weird and that I might not be able to make it look good in a sketch, but I think it looks okay. The only other issue I found with this was there were no shadows, there was no atmosphere, nothing really to make it interesting, so I did add my own shadows in, and I was quite tentative with it just because I was unsure. I didn't want to make a mess, pretty much. Material wise, I'm using all the same things I usually would that I usually listed in my videos, except for I'm not using the sketchbook, the Strathmore sketchbook, for no reason other than I wanted a bigger piece of paper to work on and the sketchbook is a lot smaller. So the paper I'm using is just a spiral bound Fabriano watercolor paper. The other change I made to the sketch is the windows in the reference are white, but I decided to make them dark in this just so that they stand out more if I add the white Posca paint. You'll probably see at some point the green awning on the main in the center bleeds into the black underneath, and I really loved it. I wanted to keep it, but I didn't keep it all because it just didn't make sense to. But the texture I thought was really cool, so it actually upset me to cover that bit up. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see in any upcoming videos on my channel, just drop a comment. Other than that, I don't really have too much to say other than I am happy to be back. I have another video that I'll be posting soon. So to any new subscribers, welcome. And to all my subscribers that have stuck around whilst I've been gone, thank you. I do really appreciate it. I hope you really like the video and I will see you in the next one.